Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I recently got my iPad Pro. I've been using it for a good month or two, so I thought I would do an unboxing video. I was really excited to receive it, and it's my first ever iPad Pro purchase. I got the 11-inch, so the 11-inch size, and about 256 GB in a space gray. So if you want to see an unboxing of an iPad Pro, you know, basically it was my first impressions on the video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I've made a few other videos before, but that was some time ago. But I hope you enjoyed those as well. And yeah, so do subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. If there's anything that you want to share with me, your thoughts, your comments on the video, please be nice. Let's get into the video. Okay, so just have to open the tab like this. It's in there. It's like Christmas, except I gifted myself something. I have the iPad Pro. Nice. Well, this is exciting, isn't it? My very first purchase of my own iPad. It feels good. So I've been wanting to get myself a computer for a really long time, and haven't been able to. So I was saving up, but mostly I think I was just procrastinating. Do I deserve my own from here? So this covers, the colors are really nice, bright colors, and I guess that is to tell you about the display. Ta-da!
Everyone's lining up to see her.
Okay, so this is the new one.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
I don't want to damage the screen and stuff, so I've got the... Wow, it's a lot lighter than I thought. And I did do a customized engraving at the back. These 3 dots, this is for the keyboard to attach to the keyboard. This is the new camera. So we've got the booklet, and then we've got the usual Apple stickers. I have no idea where these stickers are usually placed. Does anyone have any idea where you guys would stick these? Just like, I don't know what to do with them. I would love to hear your suggestions. So I guess since we are in Asia, the connector, the plug would be different. So this is the plug, like the charger. I'll take this out. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. So this is what the plug, you know, the part where you put in the socket. This is very cute. Wow, okay. Very convenient, so it doesn't stick out and poke you around. It doesn't poke shit around. Yeah, cool. Oh, very cool. and then you've got your where you plug in your new, this is the USB-C, or the newer sort of port for the Apple products. So this is the charging cable. Yeah, so you've got, yeah, so it's not lightning anymore. These are the little, this is what the input looks like. I hope you can see it. Yep. Okay, I'll probably give it a charge. Hey guys, so I just got my iPad and it's actually fully charged. So I turned it on and it's got like 92% battery. And as you can see, the sleeve is still on, okay? You can just touch the screen, yeah, even with it on, so you don't have to take it off. And then you can, yeah, and then you can set it up. So if you're one of those people who's like super paranoid like me that it will get scratched, don't worry about it. Just keep the casing on. So as I said, you can scroll through with the cover on. So just select region. I will set the language, quick start. Okay, so I need my iPhone nearby. So let's try. Probably have to stop filming because I need to
So
set it
yes,
down.
I had to stop recording so that I could set up my iPad.
Holy shit. I just took it out from the casing because I couldn't resist, and the quality and the crispness of the words on this iPad is freaking amazing. So I just have to set it up. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. This is the ESR case, and this really beautiful dark green shade. Yeah, took about 2 weeks to get here. I also ordered it on Lazada. It is a pretty good case. It fits the iPad perfectly. Okay, now something that people have been concerned about is once you do put in a screen protector, what's that kind of look like? But it fits perfectly so far. First of all, it has a smart cover, right? So it will sleep when you close it, and it will open up. It wakes up when you open the cover. A couple of ways you can use it. One is by folding it so it stands like that, right side angle, so it's like that. And this is good for, you know, if you're reading or writing, sketching, and then the other way was standing up this way. So it's a pretty good case. That's the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. So until then, I'll see you in my next video.